What's up, guys? Good morning. This is Chris Simmons, the founder and host of Signs of Our Shoes. It is about 7 a.m. on Monday morning, and I am going to start a new project. So I've watched Cowspiracy, I've watched Kiss the Ground, and most recently I'd watched Seaspiracy, all available on Netflix. And between the amount of land and water we use, and the amount of water that's being polluted because of livestock, it's no question that going vegan is a more healthy environmental option. So that's what this episode's gonna be about. Me trying to go vegan. So I hope you guys enjoy and can learn something from my experience. Stick around. Well, that was tasty. That was meal number one. It was Raisin Bran with oat milk. But as it turns out, there's more than one meal in a day. Who knew? So I'm gonna take the next couple of minutes, maybe a half hour. I think it would be really beneficial to just look up some recipes. Alright, so I figured out what I am going to be cooking. I've made a list of ingredients that I need to pick up today from ShopRite. Stick around. Alright, so ShopRite was a success. I got everything that I needed for this red lentil stew and vegan burrito. Alright, so this is everything that I'll need for both meals. I like to do all of my prep before I even start cooking, so I'll do that now. Ready? Everything prepped and ready to go. Alright, so that is 2 vegan meals. I'm really excited about the way that they turned out. I'm going to be having my first at lunch today, so until then I'm going to shower because I smell like soup, if that's like a thing. If you can smell like soup, I smell like soup. I'm going to be doing some practicing, and I will see you guys for lunch. Alright, you guys, so I am just sitting down for vegan burritos. Okay, so I am kind of looking forward to how these came together. So far, so good. You got a lot of like Mexican kind of taco flavors. I wish there was a little bit more spice. Maybe if I do this again, I'll use maybe a little bit more cayenne pepper. If there's anything that you guys really like to do to spice up your vegan or vegetarian meals, please write it in the comments. I hope you enjoy your lunch as much as I'm enjoying mine. End of day 1 going vegan, so not bad. I got very hungry after lunch before I ate dinner, but I mean, I had dinner at like 4:30. It's like 9 o'clock now, and I'm still feeling pretty full, and it feels good. So really looking forward to the next couple of days. Thank you for joining me on this journey. All right, talk soon. Have a good night.
3 days later.
Hello, beautiful, kind people of the internet. So this is my end of the week wrap up as I start to put this video together. I did stay vegetarian this week. Could not go vegan because of some mistakes that I made. So like, for example, I ate like this Mediterranean cauliflower rice on the second day that had some feta cheese in it, so I already started making it when I realized. So, I mean, just couldn't stay fully vegan this week, but I'm gonna learn and continue to grow. So, I'll keep you guys posted about that. But it's good. I started going to the gym, like didn't feel much fatigue. I feel like I had a lot of energy, so I started dropping some weight as well by the end of the week here. So I'm excited to keep going with it, and I'm excited to keep you guys updated. If you have any questions, comments, recipes, vegan hacks, please comment. Let me know what you guys are doing that works for you, and of course, like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.